Sardinia has been my favourite spot. Let's see what Rome has to offer.
Dolphins! Oh my gosh!
So the wind's died down a little bit now, so you can actually hear me talking on the camera. But Jay's awoken from her slumber. We are chugging along quite nice, just losing sight of land in the background. There, we're making good ground. I think we've got about another 100 odd miles to go. So hopefully this time tomorrow we'll be sipping pina coladas in Rome, which should be nice. Oh, it smells good. Huh? Spaghetti. Spaghetti. There's nothing burning down there. We're on fire. Right down there, Jay.
Yeah. If you catch a fish, then can I make the fish soup fine?
We've got fish, we've got the ingredients still.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I'm always ready. Dolphins! Oh my gosh!
miles left. 100. I see. What I do is I'll be like, I can get phone signal in about 12 miles. Do you know what I mean? It's about 88. 88 miles.
41 degrees, 38 minutes north, 009 degrees, 31 minutes east. Present course 007.
Fresh. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Nice shower?
Yeah.
We'll just wait. Shall we put some popcorn?
Yes. House making some popcorn.
Yeah. Sweet and salty coming up.
Woohoo! And the sunset is coming up.
Knots, 6.16 knots.
Do you think we should put a reef in?
Well, it's just The main seems overpowered at the moment, and it's just picking the background. I'm thinking just for the ease of the auto help, maybe. Let's see if it's better. Oh, just had a shower, just got wet. So we've got full moon tonight, which should give us a little bit of visibility.
Sun to rise and the moon looks amazing. We left Olbia, which is here, and we're going to Rome. We've got 51 miles left. 5 knots an hour, so 10 hours hopefully we'll be in Rome.
So it's now 10 o'clock in the morning. Enjoyed last night. It was a lovely full moon. We had a lot of light from the moon. Had a few visits from dolphins, which was pretty cool. Had good, decent enough wind all night, which meant the sails weren't flapping. Now there. By about 6 o'clock this evening, we should be in Rome. Or Porto di Roma, the place is called.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You okay?
No. I'm hot. No wind, nothing to cool me down. Hot. I'm sweaty. There's no wind. And I'm hot. Just, I've got this little bit of shade, which I've got to be like that for. So put the engine on, I want to get in there now. Mind you, there's no wind anyway.
I've got some Evian spray.
Yeah, I was just trying to rattle my brains as to where that was.
I'll get it.
Could you turn the fridge on as well while we're down there?
Yeah, sure.
Some ice cubes for the whiskey sours when we get in. Well, let's do it. Hello, hey. I'll catch you for 5 seconds. Watch you for years ago. That's even pretty warm, but it's nice. Do you know what? I reckon in that whole can there's about a quarter of one of them small bottles. It's good though.
That was good. Oh.
Feels like there's wind now. It's just the small. Mind you, the turbine's spinning, but it's just what we're making, isn't it? We're going through the. I still can't believe we can't really see land.
I know.
This is the brownest my legs have ever been.
It's boiling today.
It is hot.
It's so hot.
This is Cyprus heat.
Yeah.
This is hot.
It is.
Good enough.
Yeah. You've got another half there.
I know. But it's not one up.
Watermelon and cheese is the best combo.
It is good, isn't it?
You wouldn't think it.
You are very nearby to the Spanish Steps, Trevi Fountain, Pantheon, and Navola Square.
Off to the Colosseum. made for sailing. Isn't it? It's mayhem. Everyone just wants to sell you stuff. If I want water, I should go to the shop and buy it. So, a quick walk round the Colosseum. I've seen enough. No, I'm good, thank you. No, no, it's cheap. I'm alright, good. No. People annoy me when they're trying to sell me. None of that, please. So you try and tell them politely. No, thank you. No, thank you. See what I mean? See?
I'm gonna...
No. None of that. But it's pretty awesome though. Welcome to the Vatican City. Yeah. Vatican City. Smallest country in the world. Interesting fact. That's about all the only interesting fact I know about the Vatican City.
And second's Monaco.
Second's Monaco, that's it.
Beautiful.
Yeah, definitely
Much
recommend
nicer
it.
than I expected.
Yeah, I had to almost drag Jay out the hotel room today to come and visit these places. You glad you came?
Yeah.
See, told you. Fastest one in life, not be quick.
This is my favourite place so far.
This is 6 in the morning. Like, imagine midday. We came, we saw, we conquered. Back to the hotel. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you come back next week where we receive 2 more crew members and we try and teach them the ways of living on a boat.